I'm in pursuit. 64 at Rainbow Farms, westbound. 64 at Rainbow Farms. I'm still trying to catch back up to it. He's about 125.
Yeah, they're
It's a black passenger car. He's about a half a mile ahead of me.
I think I'll get quarters.
Coming up on Anchor End, he's still about a half mile ahead of me. It's a small black passenger car that had out of state tags. Come by me at 105.
Contact Cross County, see if they got the highway stuck.
We are. We're at Anchor End about 125, 130. Now he's trying to force cars off the road here at Anchor End.
What was the location? Coming up to the Bay Bridge, we're about 130. It's a Florida tag, I can't figure it out. Looks like 1-1 David, Young Edward Henry. 1-1 David, Young Edward Henry. Correction, 1-1 David, X-ray Edward Henry. 1-1 David, X-ray Edward Henry. They're returning to Malone accurate.
We're coming up on the Vesk. 1-1 David, X-ray Edward Henry. 1-1 David, X-ray Edward Henry. It's a Florida tag. We'll see if I get a chance. I'm on TV now. He's driving crazy. He just brake checked me, and I'm not rear-ended him, but we're still going. Alright, he just crashed into me. We're coming up to the Vesk.
You're at the Daisy and 64.
Staying on 64 here, still westbound.
64 westbound.
I got 7 o'clock from Walmart.
Coming up to Anchor End. Oh, I'm sorry, Hunter's Rest. Hunter's Rest.
Hunter's Rest.
Where were you at?
Speed's 104 right now.
104.
We're back up to 120.
Speed's 120.
We're at 120, coming up to elevated spirits.
Speed's 120 coming up to elevated stairs.
Opposing line of traffic just past elevated spirits. Coming into wind about 110.
Coming in
Coming in the city. Coming in the city.
Sitting in direct.
Roadway.
He's going in the wrong lane of traffic. Coming up here between you. Coming up between you right here. I've got cross county units with me. They're trying to box him. We're still going westbound, coming through the city here in front of Walmart.
Westbound by Walmart.
3% westbound 64. Passing one intersection right now.
I'm secondary right now.
Secondary.
Watch this intersection right here. Slow down, slow down. We're still going westbound. We're still westbound, 64.
Crossing one north intersection, continuing west.
So westbound on 54.
30 what's your 20? Just now coming up 300.
Back off him just a little bit. He will slam on his brakes. So he's already done it to me once, and I crashed into him.
I'm maxed out. He's starting to run off. So did you notify Woodruff? St. Francis on him?
Hey, let me buy you. Let me buy you.
Police both are notified always.
Did he try to stay his run? Come around.
64, what's your option? Back up to 130 right now.
Speed's on there.
Heading westbound, passenger canceling speed, 105 plus.
M.P.H speed 105 plus.
He's coming around your county. 10-4, let me get over. Go ahead.
We're 64. We're just east of the Lango River Basin right now.
Hey, we got strangers up ahead, watch out. 10-4.
115 coming up to the Lango River Basin.
westbound, speed approximately 130 miles an hour. There's a Woodruff County deputy set up 5 on Highway 64 at Timmy Miller shop. Still westbound, speed approximately 130 miles.
TBI, TBI, TBI.
GVI, GVI, GVI.
TBI.
Fourth wreck.
Fucking grip! Yeah. Fuck you! No! Get a fucking grip! You motherfucker! His arm! Fuck you! His arm! Hey! Somebody got cuffs! Grab cuffs! I've got an arm! Get cuffs, Ethan. Get cuffs. You motherfucker! You motherfucker! One cuff on. One cuff. I've got arm. I've got his other arm. Fuck. Look. Put these together. Only one driver. I only saw one. I don't know. Quit moving. Go check. Cover that car. Cover that car. Fat bitch, you're gonna have. Can you get that cuff on? I'm done. You fat bitch. Not more. Right now. Get him. Fuck you, motherfucker. Got it. I can't get. I ain't got it yet. Two more. Two. Hold them. Hold cover. Fuck you. Shut up. I've got a hand over. All right, there we go. All right. Fuck you. Secure. All right. Keep him on his stomach there. Look. Backseat passenger, step out. Step out. Keep your hands up. Step out.
Face away.
Face away. Walk backwards. Driver's 1015. I've got two in the car. Multiple units with me. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards.
Hey, your guardian's back here.
Yeah, I know. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
The one hand cut me out.
Hey, come back here. I'm just going to detain you for right now. I'll keep walking backward.
You raised your granddaughter, didn't you? You fucking bitch. I'm a prophet.
Stop.
I'm a motherfucking prophet. You motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. Fuck you.
Let's go. What's going on?
Please. I've been on it. I don't even know where to start.
Okay.
Just
look. Relax with this right now. We're gonna grab a seat back here, okay?
Sorry so much.
You're okay. You're okay. Slide in and grab a seat for me, okay?
I'll start fighting all together.
Alright. Just relax for me for just a second, okay? Turn your back towards that box. That'll keep that stress off your hands. Okay? Just scoot over just a little more. I want to shut you in the door. Do the thing.
Well, fuck you.
Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
Hey, man,
Keep coming back.
hey, just earth. I'm going to jail. I'll make them goddamn niggas kill me. Yeah, fuck him. Burn the hell.
Keep coming.
When I die, when fuck you. Burn! It will burn! It will crack from Memphis to the sea, all the way to Israel.
All right, you're going to have to go hands on. I'm going to cover the car. Stay on me.
You're being detained right now, okay? Take a breath. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Motherfucking rib!
18-4 City, go ahead and start 10-11. We're going to clear the car. All right, we're going to move on the driver's side. All right, move.
Anything on you I need to know about?
No.
Close the back seat, back seat, back seat. Clear. 4C car's clear.
10-4. Can we clear the net?
10-4, you can go ahead and clear the net. You got some beer back here? Yeah, I see it. I'm going to go grab all my stuff. All right.
Wait where you want it, man.
Just secure her in the vehicle right now until I can figure out what's going on.
I snap.
12 Fort City, I'm 98. I'm coming in Fort City on west south.
Give her money on my Hey, that's her money. Do that shit to her. That's her property, please. Fuck, they were crying the whole time.
Cause you got his wallet or anything?
18 when you get your breath, give me a 21.
Get that woman in the damn car out of my pocket. Shit.